how to make a brochure like this. First, open Canva and choose the background that you like and click the text. Then tap 4 dots and adjust it. After changing the color into white and duplicate it, add the logo and adjust it. Start by typing School of Arts and Sciences. Add line and adjust, and then change the color. After clicking the elements and choosing your frame, place the pictures on top. Add text and type about the School of Arts and Sciences. Then click Elements and choose your design. And change the color. And put arrows on both sides. Then, you choose a background and change the color you prefer. And choose a design. Place it on the side and adjust it. And do the same on the other side. frame, then place the pictures on top. And keep everything the same on both sides. Zoom in and it's done. And then click Elements and search for a beige background, then choose a design for the background of the text you will place. And search for a clothesline and use one. Then choose a frame for the picture. Just repeat the same process and place the pictures on top of the frame. Then add the title of the picture and do the same for the others as well. Then add another background for the next one and add design, then adjust and change the color. And click text, then tap the three dots, arrange it and change the color. And after that, type why choose SAS at Bitsu and change the font and also the color. Then add some designs. Search for logos like a message, graduation cup, teamwork, and a handshake icons. Then add the definition for each of them, the same way for all. And that's it. Then you're done.
And now we're going to show you how we make our payroll using Excel. First, you have to open an application that has Excel. It is better to use Microsoft Excel, but in this video, we only use WPS. As you open the WPS, you will tap the New, and then the Sheet, and the blank template where we will be creating the format for our payroll. So in this moment, I am just copying the format. I am transferring the needed information. And I am also adjusting the size of the cells so that the text will fit in. So in adjusting the cell, just tap the letter above where the text is aligned and drag it which corresponds to how long the text is. After putting the informations above, we are now ready to put numbers. So to input numbers, we will first of course start with number 1. And after, you'll just tap the cell and fill in so it would automatically put the corresponding numbers. And now we're ready to input the name of the persons or the employees. After that, we're just going to add other informations to form our payroll. After making our payroll sheet, now we're going to make the disbursement sheet. And same to what we did with our payroll sheet, we're just going to apply it to create the disbursement sheet. We're just going to transfer the needed informations and create some tables. creating table, you just need to drag the cell to how long you want your table and tap the border sign above, and there you'll see the different forms of table. So in this sheet, we use a thick outside. Now we're done with our disbursement sheet. We are ready to solve.
So, after encoding all the given data, we are now going to proceed on solving, and I will show you what formula did I use to get that missing data. In solving, we must start with equal sign and open parentheses. So in here, I just multiply the F11 by G11 to get the rate per day. And by just dragging down, we can easily get the total amount. Next, solve for the rate per minute. I just use here the formula equal sign, open parentheses, and F11 divided by 8 and close parentheses and divided by 60, and just drag down. For the total, I just use the formula equal sign, open parentheses, I11 times G11 close parentheses, and then just drag down again. Next, for the total amount of net from late, we are going to use equal sign, open parentheses, and H11 minus K11 close parentheses, and drag down. And for the total deduction, equal sign and sum, add N11 plus O11 plus P11, and drag down again. And for the total amount received, I just subtracted the L11 minus Q11 and close parentheses. And that's it. So by using those simple formula, you can easily get the total amount of those missing data. And after that, we are now going to get the sum of all of the total amounts that we get. Starting from the column of total amount, just type equal sum and click that H11, drag down to get all the sum of that in the column. Same as the column of number of minutes, just repeat those formula equal sign, sum, and click I11 and drag down. So just repeat those formula to get the sum for every column. And after getting all the sums in the sheet 1, we are now going to proceed on sheet 2, and we are going to apply a formula so that we can have an equal and uniform total of amount. Just add equal sign and click that green box and close parentheses. And that's it. And same also here in the utilization. Just click equal sign, open parentheses, and click J30 and close parentheses and equals. And also for the total, just add equal sign, open parentheses, and click that in the utilization. Same formula as well here in the budget utilization request and status. And after that, we are going to try if the formula that we use is correct. Click equal sign, open parentheses, and click that in the net from late. So as you can see, it will apply for all since we use the same formula. Here for the disbursement voucher, just also use the same formula that we used earlier, but this time use the sum of the net amount received. And for the last part, we are going to proceed on the statement of cash requirement. And just add equal sign and then go to sheet 1 and click the net amount received. And close parentheses, and that's all. We have now the copy of the net amount received. And also for this in the voucher number. And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial, and that we hope you learned something about the simple process of making a payroll in Excel. Have a great day. Bye!